Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on getting the GPS coordinates of a location on Google Maps. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You can get the GPS coordinates of a location very easily on Google Maps. All you have to do is make a long press down on the location you want to get the coordinates of. When you long press, it will drop a pin. Tap where it says dropped pin. The GPS coordinates will be displayed here. You can hold down on them and then select copy to copy them to your clipboard. If you can't see the coordinates of an official place or business, simply drop a pin on the location instead of looking at official place information, and you will see the coordinates like before. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Google Maps tips and tricks.